How to create tallies in Microsoft Word. So insert, then shape, select the line and draw the line. Shape outline, weight and select your required line size. Now Ctrl C, Ctrl V and adjust and align properly. Same Ctrl V. Now insert again, select the line and draw the line. Shape outline and weight, select like this. You can make more changes. To make group, shift, select one by one. Now right click on anyone and in the group. So this way you can change colors, shape format, and in the group you can make changes. Another way, make copy and ungroup it firstly. So right click and ungroup. Now click anywhere and make it in middle. Join and press and hold shift, so make it in proper line. So thanks for watching.